These are some dream signs you should never ignore. Number 1, being chased. This means that you are trying to avoid something in your everyday life. Number 2, being shot in your dream is a sign that there is someone toxic in your life that you may need to let go of. Number 3, falling or drowning. This is your subconscious telling you that things are way too out of control in your life. Number 4, flying. This means that you're ready to make a bold decision in life and head down a new path. Number 5, being lost. This is your subconscious telling you you're going in the wrong direction in life and it's time to make a change. 6, being naked. This shows that you're worried about getting judged by other people in your life. 7, you dream about the color green. This means that you're likely in a good emotional place. You love those around you and they love you back. 8, running but moving slowly. This can reflect frustration with your progress in life or feeling that you're not moving forward as quickly as you'd like. 9, being late. If you're dreaming about being late, it can symbolize anxiety over missed opportunities or the fear that you're not meeting expectations, either your own or someone else's.